All right, let me quickly take you through the journey of our birthday celebration. So we had some fried rice, and this is how I made it. I melted some butter and I added the rice. So this rice is not our real Nigerian rice. This is the one they sell in Walmart, and I think mostly the Togolese use this rice because my friend used to love this rice. So the name of the rice is jasmine rice. They sell it in Walmart. So I put it in a butter and I fried it a little bit. Then these are my ingredients. I just picked this up in Dollar Tree. So it's a sausage, and this is onion, different kinds of bell peppers. You can also use the sweet pepper they sell in Walmart. Then just different color of bell peppers. Then you can add some spicy one just to make it a little bit spicy. So I added just only 2 pieces of scotch bonnet, and I slice in a fine style just like that with onions, and then shallow fried in the oil. Then mix well, and then you can add, don't forget to parboil your rice, because when you don't parboil your rice, then it's going to make it it's going to be a longer process. So then I added my sausage, and later I added my you just allow the sausage to shallow fry a little bit, then you can add your vegetables. I usually love to buy the frozen vegetable because it's better than the canned vegetable. The canned vegetable, I'm talking of mixed vegetable. So I added eggs. Okay, that is egg, just 2 eggs. Now remember, if you're adding egg to your, in fact, I do not always like to use onion, egg in my rice if the rice is going to stay more than a day or 2. So if I'm adding eggs, just know that it's going to be the one we will consume within 24 hours. Okay, so because this is actually for my baby's birthday, so I used to call them my twins because they are 2 years apart, but same day, May 24, 2016 and 2018. So today it's the D-Day and we are making different things. So I gave everyone assignments of what to do, and mine is fried rice. So this is thyme, this is curry, and this is parsley seasoning. And this is my, to go African seasoning. I love that chicken seasoning. Forget it. That's my major thing. So, like I told you, I said I added vegetables. So this is a frozen vegetable. I always love to use fresh frozen vegetables because they still fresh. But if you use the one in the can, if you compare the peas and the green beans, they look kind of dull. But this is always looking sharp, always looking fresh. So I do not appreciate cutting and slicing any fresh veggies. I'll rather pick this up in Walmart, and then I'll just let it get ready to be used, and that's it. So that's my seasoning the whole thing. And then the next thing, when this is a little bit fried, don't forget seasoning is based on your discretion. How you season, you have to be very, very sure of what you're putting there. You taste it, along the line. So those are my seasoning, and that's it. So you just make sure you mix very well. Let it incorporate together. This is bay leaf. I just use that to garnish it. Most times I love to use bay leaf for only jollof rice, or when I'm boiling any of my meats, chicken or whatever. But sometimes I use it. It's better if you want to really get that bay leaf infused. Just try and parboil it with your rice. Whenever you're parboiling your rice, parboil your rice with green bell pepper, bay leaf, and then you add curry. Parboil with curry, green bell pepper, and bay leaf. And then if you have fresh turmeric, or you have the powdered turmeric, you can add it as well. Food is ready. You are invited.